Let's take a look at the vision accessibility features available in the Chrome operating system. So now that I've added the accessibility option to my startup menu, I can click accessibility. And let's start with high contrast mode. High contrast mode will simply take everything that's dark and make it light, and everything that's light and make it dark. This does make it easier to read some text and can prevent some strain on the eyes, but you'll also notice that it distorts the pictures. Later, we'll look at some extensions that can leave the pictures normal and still change the color or the visibility of the screen. The full screen magnifier will do just that. It magnifies the entire screen, and then you can use the two-finger scroll, or you can click and drag to move around the screen. Now, the docked magnifier is a little different. The docked magnifier will add a bar at the top of your screen, and it will only magnify the area where your cursor is moving. So as you move your cursor, the magnified part at the top will move along with it and allows you to focus on one small part at a time and lets you navigate a bit more easily. Some other accessibility options are the large mouse cursor, which does just that, makes your cursor large. This can be good for projecting and giving instructions to students, as well as it just makes it easier to see where your cursor is. You can also highlight the text caret, which is when you're typing. You can see when you go to type something in, it adds that blue circle around it so you can keep track of where you're typing. We also have the option to highlight the mouse cursor, which puts a red circle around your cursor as it's moving around. And then you also have the option to highlight object with keyboard focus, which is looking more at navigating a screen. And it will show you where you're clicking to move around. That uses an orange box and is really better for helping you navigate, fill out forms, and use boxes.